Hey everyone, welcome back to Social Tool 101. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add auto captions to your video using CapCut. No typing needed. Let's jump right in. First, open the CapCut app and tap on New Project. Choose the video you want to add captions to and hit Add. Once your video is loaded, tap on the text option at the top, then select Auto Captions. Here, you can choose your language. Select Generate to create the caption. Now, CapCut will automatically detect the speech in your video. Once your captions are generated, you will see them in the timeline, and you can also edit them. Fix any words, adjust the timing, and change the font, color, or animation to match your style from the Edit menu that is seen at the right side of your screen. Once you're happy with how your captions look, tap Exports in the top right corner to save your video, with captions included. And that's it! Super easy, right? If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more editing tips and tutorials. See you in the next one!